This year on Area 419 Day, we're reintroducing something that was pretty important to us in times past. Our Team Area 419. But this year, it's different. We're opening up Team Area 419 to include you. On Patreon, we're going to have a channel that includes exclusive discounts, product access, product testing, and premium content to let you better know what we're doing and for us to better serve you, our customers, and the members of our team. If you want to be a member of that team, in April it's just $1, and then past that it's $10 a month that'll get you a standing discount, product access, content access, and live access to our team so that we can connect with you in brand new ways. If you want to know more about this, jump down to the link in the comments and ask us questions. We'd love to answer them, and we want to make this opportunity to be on the team together as value-driven as possible.